Hi everyone. Next we are going to see about the techniques of motivation. So we have various techniques of motivation are applied on sports persons and we use also in our life, which can be enable them to achieve the top position in our field. The techniques of motivation are as follows. First one, goal setting. Goal setting is one of the most important technique of motivation. If you do not set a goal, you can't achieve apex position in your life. You always encourage yourself to set few ambitious but achievable long-term goals. Second one, verbal comments. Various factors of motivation are applied at various stages. Verbal comments should be applied during competition. It varies according to past experience. Third one is a positive attitude. For proper motivation, you have attained always positive attitude towards work. As we discussed that this is a key factor of all highly successful people, that they always attain positive attitude towards their work. You can achieve anything. Remember again, only you in this world who can beat you. No one is able to do that until you don't want. Motivation music. It is particularly a good way to motivate yourself. As the one who want to go for a training session, then they listen music according to their requirements. If you take it as a for studies, then some watch different inspirational movie scenes or motivational music. Any army man prefers to listen a patriotic inspirational song as he do his duty well for his country. The next one is for positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is a technique that can be used to enhance motivation. With proper repetition of self-talk can change your belief system. Muhammad Ali, the world famous boxer of USA, used to apply this technique. Sixth one, cash prizes, certificates and trophies. It is a factor which affect performance at some instance. These settings motivates our at some level to perform better in a competition. Seventh one, spectators or audience. If there is a huge number of factors, it will have a positive effect on the players. And for the same, if you participate in a competition related to singing and dancing and you don't find audience there too. Eighth one, no knowledge of results. Experimental studies indicates that a person who has the knowledge of his or her progress will learn more rapidly than an equally motivated learner of comparable ability who is working in the dark. It can be said that an individual who does not know where he or she is standing cannot reach his or her destination. Ninth one, self-motivation. It is a key point and a very elaborating topic and one of the key factor that helps you to motivate yourself. Many people you see in your life who always keep motivate themselves by remembering their past victories. Actually, self-motivation is a motivation that naturally come under by selves. The next one is 10 praise or blame. Praise or blame are effective factor of motivation if given at a proper time and in appropriate amount. If your parents praise you for your work, then you do your same work with the enhanced performance. Or same if your boss in your company blame you for any wrong happening, you take it as a challenge and improve your working ability and performance, which really makes you a great. Next, we have to adapt every situation what they given. This leads to every human being is a positive oriented approach. So here techniques of motivation is very important for an organization. So what type of or what type of techniques which belongs to every individual, because each and every people having a different of opinion. So each and every people having a different types of techniques used to improve theirs. So the organization have to concentrate more on the employees, which type of techniques is used for which employee. So this will leads to higher productivity, then higher productivity leads to higher profit, and higher profit leads to everyone is satisfied with the word of mouth. Thank you.